Okay, it's summertime and the living is easy. How about that? Look
Yeah.
we just got a bunch of strawberries and we just stemmed them and chopped them all up and stuff, and now we're going to sweeten them up. They're pretty nice and sweet to start with, but we'll put a little bit of this monk fruit and allulose blend from Wholesome Yum. They sent these to us so we could show them to you, and this is a granulated sugar.
Yep. Wholesome Yum. I love that name.
And it's got a resealable package here, and we've used it several times before.
And I think this is a 1-to-1, so...
Let's see. Yeah, this is the granulated sugar. Let's see what it says. Tastes and bakes like sugar. Use 1-to-1 for all your cooking and baking. Well, we're not going to cook them or bake them. We're just going to sweeten them all up so that later on they are so delicious.
Yep. It's good.
It's
I had a little bit of strawberry juice on my fingers. And okay.
And this is the granulated one. And they have brown sugar. They have powdered sugar versions of not real sugar, it's sugar replacement, but this is the monk fruit and allulose granulated version of it, and it's not quite as granulated as regular sugar is, but it's definitely powdery, it's kind of powdery and stuff, but it's still really good. Ta-da! All right, well, thanks for sending that, because that is going to be so delicious.
Yeah,
love it.